Dean, on that table there should be a cube of Rubik's. Could you pick that up, please, and just give it a bit of a mix. Just make sure it's the real deal. It's the real deal, absolutely. Dean, you're about to be part of a rather strange double act in which you are the eyes and I, Dean, am the hands. How do you feel about that?
Just blindfolded again. Just there, just to make sure.
Oh, Kels. Dulcet tones ringing across the stage. I'm doing all right over here. The evening's going all right. Okay, Dean, can you pop that cube in my right hand? He's way ahead of me. He knows the score. Dean, I think this is going to work. Are you colourblind? Are you serious? You are a bit. Dean, what colour would you say that centre cube was? Okay. I'm going to risk it. Okay, if that's green, the centre's never changed. Dean, what colour is that's white? Okay, you see, who's been telling you you're colourblind? Teachers. Bastards. Holding Dean back. It's nonsense. Many of you will have woken up this morning with only one question on your mind. Will today be the day that I finally get to witness a man with 2p coins duct taped into his eye sockets solve the Rubik's Cube using only one hand?
And with flat hair.
Yeah, I didn't want to mention that. Try not to focus on the hair, if that's alright. Those of you that did wake up this morning, ladies and gentlemen, wondering that, I've got some very good news for you. Yes, today is that day. A few of you are probably sitting there thinking, what a bloody show-off. To which I reply, check this out. There's just no need, is there? Is that red? Red or brown? Okay. I'm pretty confident there's not a brown side. That sounds very odd. How are we looking, Dean?